friends, I'm going to show you how I put together a really nice chicken, bean, and rice, Mexican rice burritos for my freezer. So, I showed you in my prior videos how to put together your Mexican rice, your Spanish rice, and I also showed you, and it's a real easy recipe, and I will put a link to those two videos in the end of this video. But I also showed you how to do the refried beans, which was really good too. And then this is my home canned chicken that was in my pantry, so I just heated that up. So with that, I'll show you, we'll get started with this. This is real simple to do. Once you get everything put together, it's just a matter of assembly. And there's my rice. These are absolutely wonderful. Okay, and there's my chicken. Woo, that's still very, very, very warm. Okay, and then I'm going to use a little bit of cheddar, the shredded cheddar, because that's what my family likes. For a couple of them on my own, I'm going to do the mozzarella because that's what I like on them. So, okay, so we're just going to fold in the sides, just like so. Tuck everything back in there because you want a nice tight fold on this. And there you have it. There's a beautiful chicken, bean, and rice burrito. We'll do one more. These are so easy to put together. And they are so healthy for you. And if for some reason you're watching your weight or you're trying to lose a little weight, it's a wonderful alternative to the original burritos with the beef, and you can substitute the cheese, or you can use a low fat or fat free cheese if you choose to. Okay, so there we have that. All right, now we're just going to roll that down and we're going to tuck it in the best we can. Tuck all the goodies in there. Fold the edges up. You might get a couple little stragglies, but that's all right. And there's your burrito. Beautiful. Nice. So I've got 8 of them that I'm going to be putting together. Let me go and get the rest of them finished, and when I'm done with them, I'll be back. Okay, friends, there you have it. There's my beautiful chicken, Spanish rice, and refried bean burritos. They're amazing. And I thought I had 8 burrito wraps, but I only had 6. 2 of them got used. So there you have it. I'm going to put those in the freezer. Those are easy to put together. You've seen it. They're budget friendly and they're wonderful. Wonderful for a quick meal. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.